Hey David, if you could take a vacation right now, where would you go?
Oh, that's easy. I'd go straight to Hawaii. It's my favorite vacation spot. I went there 2 years ago and I still dream about it.
Hawaii? That sounds amazing. What did you like the most?
The beaches, for sure. The water is crystal clear, and the sunsets are beautiful. I also love the volcano hikes and the local food.
That sounds like paradise. Did you try surfing?
I did, just once, though. I fell a lot, but it was fun. Have you ever been there?
Not yet, but it's on my list. My favorite vacation spot so far is Colorado, especially in the winter.
Oh wow, so you like cold weather?
Not always, but I love skiing and snowboarding. Colorado has the most beautiful snow-covered mountains.
That's cool. I've never tried snowboarding. Was it hard?
At first, yes. I fell a lot too. But once you get the balance, it feels amazing.
I should try that sometime. What else do you like about Colorado?
I love the peaceful nature, the forests, and the mountain towns. It's perfect for relaxing and enjoying the view.
Sounds like the opposite of Hawaii, but just as beautiful.
Exactly. I think every vacation spot has its charm. Do you prefer relaxing or doing fun activities when you travel?
A mix of both. I like to explore during the day and relax in the evening. What about you?
Same here. I like going on adventures, but I also enjoy quiet time, maybe reading a book by the fire.
Do you usually travel with family or friends?
Mostly with friends. We plan a trip every year. And you?
I usually travel with my sister. We both love discovering new places.
That's nice. Are you planning any vacations this year?
I hope so. Maybe California or somewhere new. What about you?
I'm thinking about visiting Italy. I want to see the cities, eat amazing food, and take lots of pictures.
That sounds like a dream trip. Let's hope we both get to travel soon.
Yes. And when we come back, we can share stories and photos.
Deal. Talking about vacations makes me want to pack my bags right now.
Me too. Let's start saving and planning.